I'm just in it again with another Broad TV vlog, and this one's about tomorrow's going to get to go. Unfortunately, I won't be going. I've got things to do. I don't know, I'm disappointed with myself. But my score prediction is 3-1 to us. Barnes 2 and that man from Argentina 1. I have no idea who's going to score for them because I don't even know half their players' names. I think after the Birmingham game we showed promise that we can progress this season and reach for playoff spots. Maybe, I'm not too sure, but Oscar hopefully will do as well. The style of football is quite similar to Gus's, but we don't use our keeper at the night, and we do go forward a bit more. And I'm glad about that, because the only thing I didn't like with Gus is you have to be very patient with us, because it's just like dun, 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 back to the keeper. Then if it's Anchor couldn't go, he'd have made a mess of it, and then whatever happens, Anchor is terrible. We do need a different backup keeper. Hopefully Oscar Garcia, one of his Spanish friends, is a keeper. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you think the score is going to be. Don't put after the minute, that is cheating. Yeah, but remember to like, rate and subscribe, and hit that like button. Hit that like button with your pinky. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.